On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The last days of Sears.
Someone dropped ass in this aisle. What's up, Minitruck? Want to go to Danbury Mall? Alright, you fill up your washer fluid and we'll go. There it is. First time I had to do this. Don't take much. That's it. Not much. A pint. Look at that dirty windshield, Mini. It's gonna be a fun little ride. Takes about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. But you're better on gas in the Jeep. Right, Minnie? Way better on gas than my Jeep. Just can't take the highways, that's all. We'll stay on the back roads. Hey, Minnie, someone sent a letter. Guess who it's from?
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Dumpy. Check it out. Doing good, says no hard feelings. If you ever want to drop in and say hi, one of these days we're gonna have to stop up and visit. He's looking good, huh? People flying down these back roads on their morning commute, eh? Park them tires. Back roads all the way, Minnie. That's right. Sun in our eyes, Minnie. Truck's creeping up on us, Minnie. It's gonna be a shitty video with the sun right in our eyes. And your dirty windshield, Minnie. Dirty girl. Danbury Fair Mall. Yep. The Sears is closed.
Value that's unmatched anywhere.
McDonald's is our kind of place.
Look at this place. The last days of Sears. This is pretty much it. Done. Danbury Mall. Hey, Minitruck. You miss me? What? I'm not getting in the wrong door.
Look how many there's the cops. Off the Tractor Supply, Minnie. like she's on rails. Oh my god, look at all them turkeys. Holy cow. Jeebus. Green Chimneys is the place to be. Putt Lake. We're gonna have to take you on the highway for a couple miles. About max. I don't want to go much more than that. I knew you can catch that tractor trailer. There it is, Minnie. There's Tractor Supply. You did it. Oh, look at the grill on that truck. Damn. That's a mean machine right there. Oh, look at that. It goes in and out. Holy shit. That's a nice rig. That's a nice rig. Nice, brother. Tractor Supply. The redneck Walmart. Oh, there it is. Exactly what I need right there. And Matt picked me up some stuff and didn't look that way in the picture. This one will do it. Yeah, 3 feet should do it. Then I know I'll have enough. Someone dropped ass in this aisle. Well, he did it. $10. Look at that pretty girl. Mini's gonna be a dump truck. Nope, not answering you. Back roads, Mini. Jeffro tried calling. I pulled over and checked. How about it, Jeffro? How about that tiny Tonka? You got your ears on? About that tiny Tonka. About a tiny Tonka. Got your ears on, Jeffro? I know he keeps the radio on. I see tiny Tonka tracks. That was a fun trip today, Minnie. See if this is gonna work, Minnie. Oh yeah. That will work. So this looks like it'll work. It's level. I bought the loops, but I think this works better. The loops actually put it off so the side drops too far. So now this will come up. You can take this off, and then you go to side, and that'll be flush if I tighten it like that. So that'll work out. That'll work out pretty good once I tighten it up.
That's what I think. Tony Tonka! I knew you'd come back.
I figured stuff. I was on the way over to see my sister.
It's happening, Minnie. It's happening.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.